So let's go to the next rule, which is called as division rule. Let us suppose that there is a function y which is dependent on the two function fx divided by gx, and then I need to find out what is the differentiation of this. I want to calculate what is the dy by dx. So then in this case the rule is, first of all we'll do the denominator square. So whatever there is in the denominator, you do the square of that and differentiate the first numerator function f dash x and multiply the denominator function and minus differentiation of the denominator times of the numerator. This is the rule, and that is how we will differentiate in this rule. So let's take one example to understand this one. Let us take that y is given as sin x divided by x, and then we need to find out what is the dy by dx of this function. Okay, so in this case, to find out, we'll apply this formula. So denominator is x, so that's why it will become x square. So we get x square. Then the sin x differentiation is cos x, so you get cos x, and the x denominator that you will multiply minus denominator differentiation, x differentiation is 1, and the sin x. So basically finally you get a form like this: x times of cos x minus sin x divided by x square. Okay, now you do try this question which I am giving. Y is given as x square plus 1 divided by x, then y is given as sin x divided by cos x. So in the first case, we know that the denominator is x, so that's why x square, and then we will get differentiation is 2x times of x, and then minus of x differentiation is 1, and that is x square plus 1. Basically you are going to get 2x square minus x square minus 1 divided by x square, which is x square minus 1 divided by x square. Okay, second case, you can directly say the answer, of course, if you want, that this is the tan x, and the tan x differentiation is secant square x. But let's differentiate with the help of this rule. So we need to find out dy by dx. So cos x differentiation is cos x, will keep it in the denominator, so cos x square, and the sin x differentiation is cos x times of cos x minus, and then there is this cos x differentiation is minus sin x and times of sin x. So basically you get cos square x and plus sin square x divided by cos square x, which is basically secant square x. Okay, like this you can do the differentiation with the help of this rule for division rule.